Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's tie this trendy unconventional gele style. This is how you can tie it for yourself. It is very simple. This is a very detailed tutorial. Like I did not edit this video. This is the raw footage of how I filmed the video. So the short one is on my YouTube channel on my reels, and I know a lot of you guys will not understand because a lot of comments on it on my Facebook, on TikTok. So I decided to make the longer video. So if you watch the short one and you did not understand, just come here, sit down, grab your popcorn and understand this full details on this 9 minute video. It is not that difficult. You just need to follow it step by step. Like just follow it step by step and you guys will understand perfectly. So for the first step, you need to pick 5 plates for this unconventional gele style and place your material over your head. I use a very soft fabric for this. This is a plain ashoke and the length is 80 inches. The length of this ashoke, and it is a 3 layer ashoke. So that is it. You can use any material of your choice, but this is the material I use for it. It is very soft. So after placing it over your head snugly like that, after picking your 5 plates, then you are going to use the second one to cover the remaining parts of your second ear. So you are not going to use the first material to cover your ear. You are going to cover one ear. So this second one uses to cover the second ear. And start picking your plate. I know a lot of you guys are complaining about this plate on my Facebook page. So if you come here to watch this longer video, this is how I pick it, because you guys are saying it is too fast. How did you do it? How did you do it? Because that's what all of you guys are saying. So just watch it and see how I'm picking the second plate. It is not that hard. Just follow the process. Start using one hand to drag it just the way I'm doing it. You drag it, then you are going to arrange it to look slant because we are trying to form that fan shape for this particular head wrap. It is very simple. So drag the second one. Continue to pick your pleats. It is not hard, guys. It is not hard. I understand that that reels is just 1 minute video that a lot of you guys may not understand. So I give you guys this option to watch this longer video. So start picking your plate, pick it. I want you guys to see the flaws, how I tie it, so that you will know that it is not that fast. Yes, you have to sit down and tie this particular style. Yes, not something that you can just do, that you can just bring out and do. So anytime you are less busy, you can just bring out your material and try this particular style. It is not hard at all. So guys, start picking the plate and use your hand to arrange it. Yes, you need to arrange it. You need to arrange it to get that perfect plate that you're looking for. So start using your hand to arrange it. You arrange it very well and start making it to look slant so that it can form that fan that we all are looking for. So it is because this fabric is so soft, that's why it stressed me a lot, just like that. So I pick it. Can you guys see the way I'm like the way my hand is moving? Can you guys see it? So this is it. Start using the second hand just to pick it like this. Pick everything till you exhaust all the material. Yes, it is very simple to tie gele. If this is your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, my name is Blessing and here I give fashion tips, fashion hack and head wrap tutorial, guys. So if this is what you like, where to like this video. Let me see your thank you in the comments, guys, and subscribe for more tutorials like this, guys. So after picking your pleats, guys, I'm trying to form that fan shape. It is because this fabric is so soft. That is why the fan is not funny. but it will still form. It will form. So I'm just trying to form that fan shape. Yes, can you guys see the way I'm moving my hand? It is very, very simple. Can you guys see? I'll pick a hair. Try to form that fan shape. So till I pick the last material. Can you guys see the way I pick everything just to form that small fan for for the head wrap? So use your hand, arrange it, arrange it. This is a three-layer shock. If you use four layer, you are going to have a bigger fan, and if the material is hard, the fan is going to stand very well. So after picking it, bring out, use your hand to arrange your head wrap very well. After using your hand to arrange it, just shift it to the back a little bit. Then use both hand and flip all the pleats together and twist it here. Can you guys see the way I'm twisting it here? Twisting it forward, like I'm not twisting it backward though, because if you twist it backward, all the pleats will scatter. So start using your hand to like to twist it, twist and arrange your plate, twist, arrange your plate. Can you guys see? So start using your hand to like to twist it, twist the remaining hand, like the remaining material to the back. Yes, can you guys see what I do? I twist it and I take it to the back. I'm going to take it to the back of your head wrap, and then you take it and tuck it in. You're going to tuck it in. I did not use any pin on this particular head wrap. When I use pin, it is on the up. I did not use pin at the back. I just tuck it in. So after I tuck it in, so I'm going to drag the second material and make sure it is very, very firm. So I use my hand. Our pleat started scattering. So I use my hand to adjust it. You are going to use your hand to adjust your pleat. So yes, after using my hand to adjust it, I'm just going to make sure that everything is very laid. Everything is what is perfect. So I shift it to the back. After shifting it to the back, I use my hand to twist the remaining material and bring it up. Yes, I hope you guys are seeing this tie everywhere. Bring it to the side where you twist your remaining material, and then use a safety pin. You use your safety pin to secure it. Yes, guys. It is very, very simple. Use your safety pin to secure it. After securing it, start using your hand to adjust your gele. Use your hand to adjust your material. Just arrange it the way you like. Yes, gele is very simple. The way you want it to be, the way you want the remaining material to stand, just use your hand to arrange it. Arrange your pleats, arrange it very well, and that is it. We are done. Guys, can you see it? Can you see it? So will you tie this? If you tie this gele to the church now, how people know that you are the one that tie it yourself? Eh? People will be thinking that did you go and give somebody to tie it for you? No, I tie it myself. So you'll be proud of yourself that you tie this gele yourself. This trendy unconventional gele style. This is how you can tie it yourself. I said that place is very covered, so I use my pin to secure it on that side so I can have the perfect shape and the perfect look. I'll use my hand to raise it up a little bit, and that is it, guys. If you watch this video to this minute, thank you for watching, guys. Like this video. Let me see your thank you in the comments, and if you be trying it, let me know in the comments if you have any question. And guys, that is it. This is so cute. Look at it. Omoto. This is very beautiful. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye bye. Please share this video. Share it to someone that you know will need it. Bye bye.